Ang bumata.
All things work for our good, though sometimes we don't see how they could. Struggles that break our hearts in two sometimes blind us to the truth. Our Father knows what's best for us. His ways are not our own. So when your pathway grows dim and you just don't see Him, remember you're never alone. God is too wise to be mistaken. God is too good to be unkind. So when you don't understand, when you don't see His plan, when you can't trace His hand, trust His heart. Trust His heart.
Who am I that the bright and morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Well, not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. A wave tossed in the ocean, vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you've told me who I am. I am yours. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Nasaan ka man, naroroon ako. Sa kahirapan, siya rin gabay sa'yo.
Sa bagyo ng buhay ay ako ang siyang aakay sa'yo. Ano mang sikwa, ako karamay mo.
Panginoon, ang nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan ang pag-ibig mo sa kitugon. Kailan mo'y di pababayaan sa iyo
Ginawa mong lahat, pag-ibig mo ay tapat at wagas. O Diyos, wala nang papantay sa kabutihan mo. Ang ngalan mo'y itataas sa buhay ko. Sundin ang loob mo, iparinig ang nais mo. Sa lahat ng panahon, Diyos ka sa amin. Sa lahat ng oras, nandiyan para sa amin. Panginoong Jesus, purihin ka, dakilain ka sa buhay ko, aming Ama.
Salamat sa iyo, aking Panginoong Jesus. Ako'y inibig mo at inangking lubos. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, Panginoon, ay buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa. Di makaya ng magkapagkaloob, mamahaling hiyas ni gintong nilukob. Ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Tanging alay ko nawa'y gamitin. Ito lamang, Jesus, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling.
When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back on these days, I'll look and see your face. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I
Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone my way, help me take the right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life, you are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need